Well, that makes me feel great. Well, I didn't even know that. Okay, cool. That's great. That's amazing. That makes me feel amazing. Wow. I guess we're really doing a thing, huh? Yeah, I feel great about that. Thanks, Peacock.
I feel like the Bel-Air fandom loves the show so much because we really try to keep everything relevant and modern. And we also, as a cast, we get some creative feedback. Like if we feel like a line or a storyline isn't as authentic, we can say like, I feel like I play Hillary, I think she would say this, or I feel like she would look at him like this, you know, and it makes it all just feel a lot more authentic when you're not a robot being told everything to say and everything to do. Like it has to come from the heart. Everything we do comes from the heart.
Ooh. You know, I think season 1, I was figuring it out, right? As proud as I am of season 1, I think season 1, I was very much finding my footing, just like what works, like how do I make this character mine? But with season 2, I feel like I've really, you know, settled into it, and I've made some really bold choices, and I'm very, very proud of the work I've done season 2.
Listen, you should watch Bel-Air. You know why? Because it's the best show on TV. It represents black excellence. It's an iconic cultural hit where people are watching it across the globe already. Don't miss out.